Whew. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Um, if you guys see my latest video, you guys already know that I bought a truck. But I don't think I really talk about that much. So that's why I'm here for. Today I'm gonna show you why I bought it, and what's good, what's bad, and what's the issues that I have to fix. So let's get started. Yeah. Just give me a sec. The reason why I bought this truck is because I really wanted something simple, good fashion, and easy work on, like an easy maintenance. And this is it. I'm not a car guy, but before I bought this, I researched about it, and actually I heard about this truck from a friend of mine. They are, of course, car person, and they both really into a old truck like OBS Chevy or Ford, something like this. And I found this truck on Marketplace almost a month ago, and since then I can't really stop thinking about it, so I really have to get it. First, reliability. The early 90s Ford F-150 are really known for being tough, like literally last forever if you guys take care of them much. And second of all, maintenance is so simple, and there are so many parts you can easily find from Amazon or eBay or Marketplace with pretty cheap price, and parts are everywhere. You don't even really need to get a fancy nice tool at all, just like simple stuffs. And again, there's the nose screen, and just when you hop on and when you look at the front, it's just nice steering wheel and the gear shift and a couple of buttons. It's so easy to figure things out. I don't need to worry about what are these, what is this for, something like that. And lastly, that is most important part. The 80 or early 90s Ford like F series is the most beautiful truck, I think. I might be wrong, but I really like this old type of like a box shape old truck. It looks beautiful. Plus, it's not super fancy, but it really does their job. It has 8-feet truck bed, so it's perfect for me. I can load my motorbike or generator or my tools, so whatever that is, you can name one. That's why I bought it. And let's talk about what's bad. I don't know, I can't really think of actually. I mean, of course, it's not a brand new, right? So it's an old truck, so already high mileage. I actually never really owned this much high before. It's currently 374,000 miles on already, and it's heavy, it's not fast, it's not quiet. But come on, it's 1995, like old truck. What do we expect? Again, there's a couple cracks and things here and there, and there's the ashtray, by the way. There's my driver seat. The door panel is kind of trying to fall off, as you can see. There's the radio and okay, there's the light, and yeah, luckily the power window is still working, and the other side as well. But the door lock stopped working. That means I cannot open the door outside. Somebody just let people get inside of the truck. I don't really know why is that. Maybe just too rust inside, so it got just stuck. And then yeah, there's the dome light. It's not working now, but I don't think it's because of the bulb replacement. Something wiring, so I have to figure that out. What is the main issue is right now, I think the brake. When I push the pedal, there's a hissing sound underneath, so I think I need to get a new brake booster. But other than that, hot working. So again, yeah, nothing major. So just small minor things, and that's actually kind of point of this truck, and that is why I just got it, to learn more and to just work on and slowly make this truck better. And I'm gonna try put more videos of this truck and a little more work, and then I keep you updated as soon as possible, and again as much as I can. Yeah, I think that's it for the video today. And if you guys like this video, and if you have something similar to like OBS Ford or Chevy or truck, just let me know what's good, like the pros and cons, and how's your experience about this thing. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video very soon. Bye bye.